If your AI results are unpredictable, generic, or just bad, it's not your fault. You were never taught this structure in the right way. But today, that changes. I'm going to give you a single foolproof formula you can use for any AI, for any task. So, without any delay, let's start. Forget complicated tricks. From now on, every prompt you write will follow this structure. And that structure is called as the RAFT formula, where R stands for role, A stands for action, F stands for format, and T stands for tone. Let's break down each part and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Step 1 is the most important. You must assign AI and role. You are casting an actor for a play, which is AI. If you don't tell the AI who to be, it will be its default boring self. So you have to say, or I should say, you must say, you are an expert, like in any field. You can tell it like according to your need, right? So let's just see on the computer for the very first step, that is giving the role to AI, so which we talked about. So the thing is that if I give it a prompt of explain climate change, it has given me a very nice answer, but it's more like Wikipedia style, not that great, right? As you can see, it's not just giving me that type of vibes, and it's really short and not even explaining it properly, so it's not that great. But instead of that, if I give it the prompt like this, you are a passionate award winning teacher for 10 years old, explain the climate change. I assigned AI and role of being a passionate and award winning science teacher for for 10-year-olds, and it has given me much better answer. Like, look at this, it's in front of you. If you read it, it's practically better than before. So just by giving it a role, you already prime the AI to think differently. It's no longer a machine. It's a teacher who knows how to explain the complex things. Step 2 is the action. This is specific, concrete thing you want the AI to do. Not a vague idea, but a clear word. Explain, create, summarize, write, analyze, brainstorm. Be brutally specific here. You have to. So we continue building our prompt from the role, okay? So if I give AI the prompt is your task is to explain the concept of climate change in a way that child would find fun and exciting. Use a simple analogy. So I have given AI this prompt, and just look at the answer. Now, our prompt has a role and a specific action. We're not just asking for explanation. We are asking a specific person to do a specific task. Like I just have told AI that your task is to explain the concept of climate change in a way the child would find it fun and exciting. And just literally, if you read if you read the response of the AI, it's very good. So this is already 10x better than what most people do. So step 3 is format. This is where you take control of the output. How do you want the information delivered? Like a paragraph, a bulleted list, a table, a script. If you don't specify, the AI will guess, and you probably won't like its guess, right? So you have to, you know, give your own guess to it so it can give you a better prompt. So our step 3 is set the format. So we continue building our climate change prompts. So if I give ChatGPT the prompt of like this, so if I give it the prompt, please structure your explanation in the following format, okay? So a short story bullet listed of 3 key takeaways, and third one is one fun activity they can do at home. So if I just put the enter, so as you can see, it's giving us the response. So let's just see. So by defining the format, we are literally designing the output. So we're telling the AI to put the information in the container. So this saves so much time on editing and reformatting letters. So as you can see, it's just giving a short story, three key takeaways, a fun activity a children can do, which is amazing. So yeah, it's a great way. So the step 3 is format. I hope you guys understand. The final step is tone. This is a secret sauce that makes the output feel human. How should it sound? Like formal, funny, sarcastic, empathic, inspirational. This is how you inject personality and makes the result match your brand or your niche. So you have to tell AI that what it should sound like to give it the human touch. Now the step 4, choose a tone. So if I just tell the AI, so let me just put the prompt in here. We're gonna finish our perfect prompt. So that the tone should be warm, encouraging, and full of wonder, like your favorite teacher from childhood. So if I just put the enter. So of course, so it has given me amazing short story. I thought it wore too many blankets. Yes. So as you can see, this is not just explanation. This is like a very good content. So, we've studied the raft formula now. As you can see, the last part is tone, which is like we have described it here. It's amazing, as you can see. It has given the answer on the basis of the last question, but now in further video I will show you. I will combine all the prompts I have given to AI. These are just for examples, and I will combine all the prompts and tell you the best answer of this, right? We're gonna take another example for that. So we are moving toward the end of video. So let's do one more super fast example. You can see how universal this is. So if I give AI, the ChatGPT, this prompt, this is the role, this is the action, and the format, the tone, and if I give is the tone, like let me just press the enter. Wait. Yeah, sorry for the lag. What is happening? Okay. So sorry for the lag, guys. So as you can see, and then just like that in 30 seconds, like almost 30, not even 30 seconds, maybe, we have a professional own brand marketing copy. And then this works. So it's just having the email body, like introducing AI power meeting summaries, your new secrets productivity weapon, our smart assist, stuff like that. And it has given a very good answer to this prompt, and I would think you guys understood. So that's the only prompting formula you ever need, the raft formula, where R is role, A is action, F is format, and T is tone. Your homework is to use it just once today, and I'll promise you'll be shocked by the difference. If this video added value to your life, please hit the like and subscribe to AI Diaries for more simple, powerful frameworks. Thanks for watching, my friend, and I hope you have a good day.